We can't take another pixel because my butt is born.
Alright, you guys, we're driving and Reagan had to go to the bathroom, so we're looking for somewhere to pull off. And we see this, I recognize this lake and this mountain from years ago when me and Sarah came out here. And then I see a pull off for Scenic Overlook and we're like, holy cow, this is it. This is Sarah's favorite spot on that whole trip. It was winter and we'll show you a picture. Yeah, so we're like super excited that we found it. This is the first thing that we've like been able to redo that we did in the past with kids. Yeah, so pretty excited. Check this place out. Is that beautiful or what? We are in the town Avon, Colorado, and we stopped for some food, but we have the RV and there's a detour construction, so there was nowhere. We couldn't fit down the aisles at this Walmart because the other part of the road was blocked, and luckily we were able to go around the back. Otherwise we had a long ways to back up in rush hour here. All right guys, I gotta show you something. I mean, come on, for real? How amazing is this? It's our best view yet, by far.
Junction, and then Bobby, then Bruni, then Johnny.
You named every rock. Sarah checking us in here in Grand Junction, Colorado.
Seriously, this is insane. We are just everywhere. And I feel like they just kind of like fall from the sky, because you could clean one up and then look back and there's another one right where you cleaned it up. They're crawling all inside of here. These are all closed things, except for the suckers. I bet you that's why. Oh my goodness. So gross. Oh. What do I do? Do I just throw everything away? Probably. Can they get inside of these? Who knows? Oh, never ending. He's gonna watch out the window.
I might try this, Mommy, all by myself.
Daddy's watching. You gonna show him?
It just look, Daddy! Oh, and now like the all the way on one.
Wow! Look at Daddy. Can I have some ice water? Oh, thanks. What else you got?
Syrup with pancakes.
Ooh, yeah, I'll take a plate of those.
Chicken nuggets.
I'll take a plate of those too. There you go.
And I got a hamburger.
Ooh, can I have all three?
Here.
Oh, thanks. How much do I owe you?
50 cents.
50 cents? That's it? Here you go. And there's a little tip in there for you too.
Mommy, you get me up on this timer too? Did you get me up on this, Mommy?
The year was 2013. Two young kids went on an epic road trip. We ended up here at one point in downtown Grand Junction. It's pretty cool to be back to visit with the kids and show them, and the town seems like it's grown a lot since we were here.
It really has. They've really stepped up their artwork.
They have a guy in a bathtub over there. Oh, you've got the right idea. Oh, he's real. It's currently 100 degrees out, but it's a dry heat, so it's not that bad.
It's bad.
We are going to jump in this fountain up here. This isn't the big one. The big one's up there, huh? Me and Sarah kind of have a history with this bike right here.
I don't think it's the same one.
This is our bike. Yeah, that's it.
Do you think so?
Yeah. In the flesh.
I feel like it looks different than I remember.
Ready to see?
Yeah, buddy.
Yes.
I was gonna bring my skateboard, but good thing I didn't, because I wouldn't even be able to grind a rail.
You don't have a skateboard.
What, buddy?
You don't have a skateboard.
You're right, I don't.
I don't think it's for non-skateboarders. It's to keep people 6 feet apart from each other.
Yeah, it was put in 40 years ago, but they knew. They knew. That is very big pedal.
Is that a bee?
In all honesty, the Midwest is way worse for heat. This is a dry heat, and it's nothing compared to 90 in the Midwest, in my opinion. What do you think? Better or worse here?
It's tough saying, because it's super hot here right now. I'm like really sweaty.
I think it's super cool.
But it's also like higher elevation, so I feel like it's still like harder, not super hard to breathe here, but
Yeah.
it's hot. I feel like I just can't cool off.
Yeah,
Even with the
I
air
think
blowing on me.
besides right where we're at, there's really no shade anywhere around here. There's hardly any trees. So I guess that makes a big difference.
I don't mean to be a complainer, but
She always complains, you guys.
Now what?
All right.
These are super big wheels. Now you want to see?
Yeah, what are you going to show me? What is it?
It's shooting up.
Oh, yeah.
Now I want to talk. Now you just want to watch it now.
I don't know why they don't want us in there. This has got to be one of the nicest downtowns I've ever seen.
There's so much cool stuff down here. There'll never run out of cool stuff. Finger, mama, finger, where are you?
Here we are at Cabela's. First time ever.
Hey, there. See, that's called pretty dusty.
Oh, yeah.
You need a car wash. That must be from the dust storm.
Must be. What I just hit? Fishing pole. Or ripped my neck open. Nora and I are going to get the oil changed in the truck. Hopefully this goes smooth. We just finished getting our oil changed. Everything's good. They do a great job. They do like a multi-point inspection, check all your fluids, battery, all that stuff. Everything's good, but then they, you know, the only annoying thing is they try to upsell you on everything. And I just want an oil change, you know, so it is what it is, you know. And then on top of that, we're almost done, and then the guy changes something in the computer to make it more expensive. So I question him on it, and he says, oh, they had a Cummins engine put in, not the Power Stroke, and it makes it more expensive. I'm like, well, I called earlier and the first price was the price they quoted me on. So he changed it back to the price that I was quoted, but then his attitude changed and he wasn't as friendly for the rest of the time.
Dustin and I came here in 2013 and it was just a fluke that we came here, so we didn't really spend a whole lot of time. So it's we're here for 6 more nights, and we're hoping to spend some more time here at the Colorado National Monument. It is gorgeous. If you haven't been here before, definitely check it out, because footage of all of this, pictures, does not do it justice like so many other things in the US. There's a lot of hiking trails, and it's 23 miles of driving road too.
We just want to sit here all day.
You don't want to go for a hike?
Nope. Not anymore.
Why?
I just like sitting here.
Alright, we're here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are about to go on a hike.
Oh, I give up.
I'm trying to get my YouTube voice.
Yeah, that's not it. Why do we gotta be in a different state every time? Alright, tell us about this place, Sarah.
Alright guys, we're in Glenwood Springs, and in the big town, in the big state of Colorado. What do you want me to say?
Tell me your thoughts on this campground.
Smells like bullshit. Yeah, so we're in Glenwood Springs in Colorado, and we're at a campground called Amy's Campground, Amy's RV Park, and it's pretty cool, super cool.
And